Good evening, madam. Is this the residence of Basil Baker Street?
I'm afraid it is. He's not here at the moment, but you're welcome to come in and wait.
I don't want to impose. It's just the girl.
Oh, you poor dear. You must be chilled to the bone. Oh, but I know just the thing. Let me fetch you a pot of tea and some of my fresh cheese crumpets.
This time, I shall have him! Out of my way! Out of my way!
Dasha, who are you?
What? No! That's the Baker Street, my good fellow.
Mr. Basil, I need your help, and... But you don't understand. I'm a terrorist.
If you'll excuse me.
No. Now, see here. This young lady is in need of assistance. I think you ought to listen.
This, please, Doctor.
Of course. Good. Wait just a moment. Did you know I was a doctor?
Sir, to be exact. Just returned from military duty in Afghanistan. Am I right?
Yes. Major David King Dawson. How could you possibly...
Quite simple, really. You've sewn your torn cuff together with a laminate stitch, which of course only a surgeon uses. And the thread is a unique form of catgut, easily distinguished by its peculiar pungency, found only in the Afghan provinces.
Amazing.
Actually, it's elementary, my dear Dawson.
What in heaven's name? Oh! My good pillows! Mr. Battle! How many times have I told you not to...
Mrs. Judson, it's quite all right. I believe I smell some of those delightful cheese trumpets of yours. Why did you fetch our guests some?
But I...
Now, I know that bullet's here somewhere. Yeah. Thank you, Miss...
Flaversham. Olivia Flaversham.
Whatever.
Yes, but you don't understand.
Shh, be quiet! Yes. Crap! Another dead end. He was within my